One.
She been my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams. Alright. Alright. She been my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams. Alright. Alright.
Sa gabi ikaw ang panaginip dahil sa iyo. Puso ko'y sumasayo. Isip di mapakali, ngiti ay laging nasa labi.
I don't really care if you're not coming home tonight. If you wanna stay with me and we can both call it the night. Tahimik ang paligid, pwede tayo ang maging liwanag. Let's keep it going till there's no minds, yeah. Do you mind if I come through? Mind if I touch you? Mind if I mess up your front too? Pull it up, roll it up, we can smoke too. You mind?
I see nobody but you. I'm never confused. Hey, hey.
Yeah,
Etno Beats Production.
yeah. Ang mata mo nag-isip, di maalis sa aking isipan. Ganda mo kakita-kit, kaya sobrang tinaman.
Kung may nang iwan man o nanakit sa atin, hindi naman mahirap humanap ng kapalit. Ang mahirap mahanap yung hindi ka ipagpapalit.
But then you're gone and oh, so far away. I know you love fucking me.
Pero ayos na ako kahit walang tayo. Di ka nakasama sa aking mga plano. Di na tayo lilipat, di na tinupad mga pangako. Bakit ba napako?
When you get jealous too, I turn my chin music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm turning red in the face. You can call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they have a.
Hi. So, I just wanted you to know that not everyone will like you. Not everyone will love you and be there for you. Not everyone's going to stay. People are going to say things about you whether you're doing good or not. But all I want you to learn is that these things are okay. It doesn't make you less of a person. You're still whole regardless of the world not liking you, loving you, or staying with you. Don't let these things define who you are as a person. You don't have to listen to them. You only have to listen to yourself.